gonna do right now is that I'm gonna tour you guys around house here in Canada. What fantastic days we have. Our vlog today. It's already 5:30 in the afternoon already here in Canada. So basically right now it's already late. I'm so sorry. I supposed to do this earlier, but I got busy. So anyways, what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna tour you guys around our house here in Canada. Actually, I wanted to make a content because I'm getting bored. And yeah, besides that, I'm not just doing this because I'm bored, but of course I wanted to show you guys where am I staying. So yeah, I supposed to do this while I'm in the Philippines, but since I am so busy that time, I have no camera. I did not do it and I don't have time. That's why right now I'm gonna do it right now, and yeah, hope you enjoy this vlog. The bathroom.
Making with jive, boy, station. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes.
Kitchen.
Making with jive, boy, station. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you have
Storage.
yes.
1, 2, 3.
So basically, this is where the heater is coming. The stairs. going inside the house.
Get to making with jive, boy. Stay shy.
So yeah, hi guys. Hope you enjoy the B-roll and everything, montage. Actually, when I did the intro, basically I'm getting cold. I don't know what's the temperature, but let's ask Siri. Hi Siri,
Hi there, Christian Yvonne.
what's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be -7 degrees, and the low will be -12 degrees.
It's basically 7 degrees. There's a possibility that in this place you will be experiencing a -12 degrees. It's cold when you go outside. That's why every time that I go outside, I wear a thick jacket and wear a thick long pants as well. That's why when I go outside, it's so freezing. I'm freezing so badly. But yeah, hope you enjoy those things that we had. And yeah, hope you enjoy this tour that I did to you guys. And hope you're ready for the next vlog here in Canada. I'm so excited. And one more thing, as soon as the snow is already out, I promise to you guys that riding this boys right here soon after the snow is out, because I cannot ride that for a while because it's snow, and if there's snow it means it's gonna be slippery. And yeah, hope you're excited to that vlog, because me too, actually. I'm excited to create that vlog. Yeah, I actually cannot wait to film that. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Please do me a favor, don't forget to remember, if you're not enjoying your life, it is so bad. Peace out, dudes. Again, this will be the last day of vlogging for now, but I promise to you guys that as soon as we will be having our flight, we will be going back to vlogging. And